Hello everyone, welcome to day 14 of our SOC Analyst 100 Days Learning Challenge. So you have made it this far, and today we are diving into one of the most powerful tool in the Security Operations Center, the ELK Stack. Yes, Logstash, Elasticsearch, and Kibana, the dynamic trio that transforms raw log into insightful actionable data. So by the end of today's session, you will be rocking the ELK stack like a pro and know exactly how to use it to analyze, visualize, and interpret your security data. But don't worry, I will keep it fun and interactive. So let's get into it. All right, so what we will cover in this session. So, what is ELK stack? Why ELK in SOC? Logstash, the data processor. Logstash example pipeline. Elasticsearch, the search engine. Kibana, the dashboard, and the bonus detection queries. So, I'm going to show you how to write detection queries. Then, key takeaway and wrap up. So, what is ELK stack? So, if you have been in the cybersecurity or IT operation world for a while, you have probably heard of ELK stack, but let's quickly break it down in simple terms. Number one, Elasticsearch. So think of Elasticsearch as the search engine for your logs. So it is the powerful database where all your log data is indexed and stored. So it is lightning fast, scalable, and enable you to search through your log in real time. So it is perfect for incident detection and investigation. All right, next, Logstash. So Logstash is like your log prep safe. So it take raw log data from all kind of sources, network device, server, application, then process it and then send it to Elasticsearch in an easily searchable format. So Logstash can handle data parsing, filtering, and even enrichment. So you get log what are both clean and structured. Then next we have Kibana. So Kibana is your visualization tool. So it allows you to create dashboard, chart, and graphs based on the data in Elasticsearch. So instead of scrolling through endless rows of the log, you get interactive visuals to quickly spot trends, anomalies, and alerts. So it is like the Google Analytic for the network logs, but for security monitoring. So Logstash get the log, Elasticsearch store them, and Kibana let you visualize and analyze the data. So together they are absolute powerhouse for log management and security monitoring. All right, so let's answer the important question. Why would you want to use the ELK stack in Security Operations Center? Well, here is the deal. Centralized log management from multiple sources. So in a SOC, you are dealing with logs from all kind of sources, firewall, server, application, intrusion detection system, you name it. So the ELK stack gives you a centralized location to store and analyze all of data logs in one place, and then real-time monitoring of incidents. So with Elasticsearch at the core, you can query your log in real time, enabling faster detection of the suspicious activity, breaches, or incident. Customizable dashboard. So Kibana allows you to create custom dashboard that can visualize security events like failed login attempt, malware detection, or unusual traffic pattern. So with the right visualization, you can easily spot security threat before they escalate. The next, efficient data processing. So Logstash does the heavy lifting of processing your log data. So you don't have to manually filter and clean your logs. It can even enrich data with additional context like adding geolocation into the IP address to make your analysis more powerful. So let's take a look at how this all works together in a real SOC world. So here you can see the Logstash collecting data from multiple data sources, various attacks, Nginx application, servers, and then using the beats. the data is sending to Logstash, and Logstash enriching the data into Elasticsearch. Elasticsearch alerting the suspicious activities, and Kibana you can use to create dashboard, and here you can see the attack details. All right, so Logstash, the data processor. Logstash is your data plumber. It can ingest log from various data sources, perform transformation of filtering, and then send that clean structured data to Elasticsearch. Common Logstash use cases. So number one, parsing. So Logstash can read through your raw data, and which is might be meshy or unstructured, and extract useful information like IP address, timestamp, or error codes. Then filtering. So it can remove unwanted data or focus on specific logs, such as filtering out unnecessary information and keeping only the one relevant to your security monitoring. Then enrichment. So Logstash can enrich log with additional information, such as associating IP address with geolocation data or threat intelligence. So here you can see the configuration file. Then Logstash example pipelines. So Logstash is ingesting data from an Nginx access log. So you can see the path where log Nginx access log, then filtering. So it uses the grok filter to parse the log into structured field like client IP, timestamp, HTTP method, etc. Then here number three we have output. So output, the data is sent to Elasticsearch where it can be searched and visualized. So you can see here is the website detail or link, and then indexer details. So indexer is nginx log, and then timestamp. Okay, so how to activate Logstash? So you can go and run this command in your Linux machine, sudo opt install Logstash. And then you can start the Logstash, sudo systemctl start Logstash. All right. Then next we have Elasticsearch, the search engine. So once Logstash has processed and sent data to Elasticsearch, it gets stored and indexed in the highly efficient distributed database. So this means you can search through massive amount of log data quickly, even in real time. So what are the common Elasticsearch use cases? So number one, searching. So Elasticsearch let you query your log data using Lucene query. So this is where you can search for specific event like failed logon or specific IP address. Then aggregation. So you can perform complex aggregations to find trends or anomalies, like counting the number or failed logon attempt over time, or identifying the most common attack vectors. So sample elastic query. So let's say you want to search your failed login attempt in your log. So a basic query might looks like this. So you can write like this: get nginx log. So this is your indexer, then search, and then your query match status should be 401. So this query searches all the log in nginx log index for entries where the http status code is 401, the unauthorized one, which indicates a failed logon. And how to activate the Elasticsearch? So you can install using apt-get install Elasticsearch, and start using systemctl start Elasticsearch. Then next we have Kibana dashboard. So Kibana is your interactive dashboard and data visualization tool for the ELK stack. It turns raw data into visualize format that can be monitored and analyzed over time. So what are the common use cases? Number one, dashboard. So you can create custom dashboard that visualize log, security events, and system metrics. Visualization. So Kibana allow you to create graph, pie chart, line, even map for geolocation data. Then alerting. So with Kibana, you can set up alert for certain thresholds, such as when the number of failed login attempts exceed a certain limit. So how to create a dashboard? So you can open Kibana from your browser, then navigate to visualize and create a new data visualization, easy bar chart or uh, graph, etc., or pie chart. And how to install Kibana? So you can go in Linux, sudo opt install Kibana, sudo systemctl start Kibana. All right, so 10 detection queries. So welcome to the bonus section. As promised, here are 10 powerful Elastic queries you can use to detect modern cyber threats in your network. So these queries are crafted to help you quickly identify suspicious behavior, anomalies, and indicator of compromise using the ELK stack. So I'm gonna add these query in my GitHub link and put in the description box so you can go and check. So here we have some Elastic queries. So number one is for the detecting brute force attack, the field logon. So this query searches for 401 unauthorized status code in the log from the past hour, and multiple failed login attempt could indicate a brute force attack. So it is checking the Nginx log and then uh, matching the status 401, and time range is last 1 hour from now to last 1 hour. So this is how you can write your detection rule in Lucene or Elasticsearch. So the second query is for identifying suspicious HTTP user agent. So this query look for HTTP log and a bot, a common bot indicator in the user agent field. If you see a lot of these, you might be dealing the baby scrapping or automated exploitation attempt. So the user agent is broad, crawl, spider, curl, wget, etc. Number three, we have detecting DNS tunneling the exfiltration data. So this query check for the unusual DNS query containing multiple segment in the domain. So uh, you can see any domain like sub.domain.etc.com, which are often used in DNS tunneling. So indexer is DNS log. Then also we have detecting suspicious outbound traffic to known command and control domain. So here is the domain detail, and the log is DNS log. So this query identifies DNS request to a specific malicious domain, and you should have a list of known domains that you can map here. Number five. So uh, detecting lateral movement via SMB port 445, port number 445. So 445 is SMB port, and this query searches for SMB traffic with large packet size, which could indicate suspicious file sharing or lateral movement. So this is the file size in byte. So you can tune these query as per your requirement. I'm gonna put these query in the GitHub and also going to provide you. So number six, detecting ransomware activity via unusual file modification. So the event is file modification, and time range is last 1 hour from now, and the indexer is file beat.log. So this query identifies unusual file modification event, which could indicate ransomware encrypting file or making suspicious changes. All right, so let's wrap it up. And key takeaways. So key takeaways are like Logstash is the data ingestion and processing tool. Elasticsearch is high-speed searching and indexing tool, and Kibana can visualize your data into dashboard. And uh, ELK Stack is a game changer in your SOC log management. So the power of ELK in a SOC with Logstash, Elasticsearch, and Kibana combined, the ELK stack is a game changer in the world of log management and security operations. So in the SOC, it provides centralized log collection and processing, fast, scalable search and queries using Elastic, real-time visualization and monitoring using Kibana. So whether you are trying to identify malicious activity, investigating incidents, or creating custom dashboard for ongoing monitoring, the ELK Stack is the must-have tool for any modern SOC. So if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much.